I am gonna call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here.
Holy cow, that was amazing.
Good to see you, buddy.
All right, Mr. Inspector, this is my project, so I want to know how I'm doing.
You know, you've really come a long way from where you started. Yeah, you know, everything's looking great. I did notice on your electrical application, though, it's more done, it's kind of what we would see from a commercial standpoint, right? With the MC cables that we had over here in the conduit. Typically for most residential projects, we're just gonna see standard ROMEX, you know, either electric chainsaw or a router, giving us that groove, and then we would just fit the ROMEX back in.
Quicker, less stuff to fill.
Less stuff to fill, and typically less money, right? When you've got the electrician out here, it's less money to have him out.
Oh, without a doubt. I mean, and this being my electrician's first job too, with this, it's a learning curve for all of us. We wanted to make sure that we were doing it right, that if we had to switch something out, we could. And so, yeah, I came in a little bit late on the game and he'd already done that, which is, Jeff, that's beautiful, but you don't necessarily need to do it.
Just a little overdone. You know, as long as he still has in mind to spray foam back over the top of it, low expansion spray foam, and then cut that flush before you put your drywall on, this will still work, just a little more than what we'd normally see with it.
Yeah, so what we have now, what I have scheduled, I've got inspections at the end of the week. Then we will come back, we will foam over all of these, you know, anywhere we cut a channel in the foam. So we're back to as much foam as we possibly can. If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura forms, go visit nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.